Okay, so we found a little bird. Look at that, it's so sweet. Les frères faisaient sûr que vous n'allez pas dans la YouTube video. Oh my god, it's hiding. We're gonna go see closer. Anyway, really. Oh my god, you don't see it in camera. We're gonna try to get it. I have gloves and my mom has a glove. But we're gonna try to save this little bird because our cats literally just caught it and his foot is hurt. He's going the other way. Maman va de l'autre côté.
Si j'y vais, elle n'aura pas le temps de sortir.
I'm gonna go. Yam, attention. Oh my god, she's so cute. We're gonna try to put her in our hands and then we'll show you, but not show our face. Where is it? I think it's trying to run away. You can't run away, little bird. Oh, she's right there. Maman essaie de l'attraper. Il est juste là, en arrière du tire. Oh my god. Oh my god, where is it? It's so hot outside. Poor little bird. Oh my god. She's coming. Maman, t'appelait. Okay. Oh, poor little birdie. What are we gonna call her? We can call her a name if you want to. I'm gonna call her Sweetie. Sweetie or Flappy? What should I call her? I don't know. I'm gonna call her Sweetie. She's so cute. Let's go right here. I can see it better. Oh my god, he's right there. Oh, now we don't see it. She's so close. And he hurt his foot because our cats caught him. Because they catch birds, but it was alive still, so we tried to help him. No cats coming close. Okay, yeah. Oh my god. Do you see it? I don't think we can see it on camera. Oh my god. Okay, okay, so we're gonna do another video after this one.